Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Alan, and I'm from the United States, specifically from New York. And welcome to my channel, Brasi Dicas. In this video, I'm going to teach you some more basic vocabulary in Brazilian Portuguese. You'll learn words like where and how much, and expressions like I speak English and I don't understand. So whether you're a student of Portuguese or simply planning your next vacation to Brazil, let's learn Portuguese for Beginners, Basic Expressions Part 3. Question words, or WH words, are commonly used in English to identify people, places, and things. Luckily, these words have direct translations in Portuguese. Quem? Who? Quem é você? Who are you? O que? What? O que significa gringo? What does gringo mean? Quando? When? Quando é o seu aniversário? When is your birthday? Onde? Where? Onde você mora? Where do you live? Por quê? Why? Por que ele está aqui? Why is he here? Qual? Which? Qual você prefere? Which do you prefer? Como? How? Como está a sua família? How is your family? Quanto? How much? Quanto custa? How much is it? Even though Portuguese is the official language of Brazil, you will find that many Brazilians speak English, especially in big cities like Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo. Once you let people know that you're not a native speaker of Portuguese, they will usually be more patient and speak more slowly, or simply just switch to English. There are several ways you can express this in Portuguese. Eu não falo português. I don't speak Portuguese. Eu falo inglês. I speak English. Você fala inglês? Do you speak English? Eu não entendo. I don't understand. Você pode repetir? Can you repeat that? Você pode falar mais devagar? Can you speak slower? Desculpa. Sorry. Eu não sou daqui. I'm not from here. Eu sou gringo. I'm a foreigner. It's important to understand that the word gringo simply refers to anyone who is not from Brazil. Unlike in other countries, gringo in Brazilian Portuguese is not used as an insult and is not considered an offensive term. So, let's go over what we learned in this video. Question words. Quem? Who? O que? What? Quando? When? Onde? Where? Por quê? Why? Qual? Which? Como? How? Quanto? How much? Expressing misunderstanding. Eu não falo português. I don't speak Portuguese. Eu falo inglês. I speak English. Você fala inglês? Do you speak English? Eu não entendo. I don't understand. Você pode repetir? Can you repeat that? Você pode falar mais devagar? Can you speak slower? Desculpa. Sorry. Eu não sou daqui. I'm not from here. Eu sou gringo. I'm a foreigner. So, guys, I hope I was able to teach you some common question words and ways to express misunderstanding in Portuguese. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Until next time, and thanks for watching.